Aloha everyone, welcome back to Science with Yllie. I'm Yllie and today's lesson will be on volcanoes. Just kidding, I do live near a volcano, but that volcano is dormant and hasn't erupted for centuries. Today we will be making our own explosive volcano, but remember before we start these experiments to always ask for permission and have an adult supervise you when conducting these experiments. So let's put on our thinking caps on and begin our science adventure. In this episode, we're going to be learning about volcanoes. So let's take a little field trip up to Haleakala. Welcome to Haleakala, a massive shield volcano that is about 10,000 feet above sea level. It makes up to 75% of the island of Maui. So how did these volcanoes form? These volcanoes formed as a result of volcanic activity that took place about 1 million years ago. This volcano has played an active role in the geological and cultural history of the Hawaiian Islands. Like all shield volcanoes, Haleakala was formed from a series of highly fluid magma flows. At Haleakala summit lies a massive depression, also known as a crater, that measures some 11.25 kilometers or 7 miles in diameter. The name Haleakala literally means House of the Rising Sun, which was given to the general mountain area by the early Hawaiian people. Okay, so this is what you will need to make a volcano eruption. You need 10 millimeters of dish soap, 100 millimeters of cold water, 400 millimeters of white vinegar, some food coloring, and baking soda slurry. You will fill a cup about half with baking soda, then fill the rest of the way with water. You'll also need 2-liter empty soda bottle. I don't have a 2-liter soda water bottle, but I do have a kombucha bottle here, which I will be using. Okay, to make the baking soda slurry, use a spoon to mix the baking soda slurry until it is all liquid. Next, combine the vinegar, water, dish soap, and 2 drops of food coloring into the empty bottle. Note, this should be done outside due to the mess and depending on how high your eruption would be. I highly recommend wearing something you don't mind getting dirty. And also, protect your eyes. Wear something protective like safety glasses. Now grab your slurry that you've made and pour it into the bottle. Step back and watch the eruption go. So what's going on here? Well, chemistry, of course. A chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same gas used in soda. Have you ever tried to shake a soda can? And if you do, what happens? I think you know the answer. The gas gets very excited and tries to spread out. There's not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption. That is it for today's lesson. I hope you get to erupt a volcano. And remember, when you do this, please do it outside, okay? To avoid cleaning up a big mess. Experiment with different mixtures. Add more baking soda, more water, less baking soda. Try to see how high your eruption can go. Until then, stay curious.